A shawl worth barely 350 rupees was marked up and sold for a staggering 1300 rupees. Polyester shawls allegedly passed off as pure silk dupattas. After the fake ghee laddu row, yet another scam has swarmed in, once again at the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam.
TTD Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam has again found itself in an hot water where yet another scam has come to the forefront, which is now called the dupatta scam. In this dupatta scam, what we are learning is that around 54 crores of loss is reported in the scam as the dupattas which are gifted to the devotees who attended the Tirupala, who came to visit and take the darshan of the Sri Venkateshwara Swami there, are offered these dupattas. But these dupattas are prepared with a particular norm and with particular regulations that are listed. It should be in mulberry silk. But what the scam, the TTD chairman here is claiming is that this particular dupattas are not being following the TTD norms that it should have been following. It is made out of polyester instead of the mulberry silk.
The TTD chairman told Republic that this matter came to his notice 3 months ago. The massive scam, allegedly spanning from 2015 to 2025, went unnoticed until 2025.
So, when did it come to your notice is what I'm asking, sir.
About 2 months to 2.5 months back. Not systematic. Systems are very good. But the persons, 2019 to 24, the 5 years, the previous government, they did wrong things and all wrong things. That's it.
The irregularities are believed to have spanned nearly a decade, causing an estimated loss of over 54 crore rupees to the temple trust. And now, the opposition has again pulled all daggers against the TDP.
Is it being done to rectify a defect in the system and in the process damaging the reputation of the temple and hurting the sentiments of the devotees, or is it being done to actually find out what is wrong? Now all these allegations, whether it is the silk or whether it is the ghee or whether it is anything else, are all not newly started procurements. They've been going on from ages.
अभी इंक्वायरी प्राथमिक रिपोर्ट में आ गया, ये ज़्यादा पॉलिस्टर का मटेरियल इसके साथ जुड़ा हुआ है. अच्छा नहीं, ये भगवान के पास महापाप किया गत गवर्नमेंट में, प्रीवियस गवर्नमेंट में, वाईसीपी गवर्नमेंट में. अभी घी में स्कैम है, परकामनी में स्कैम है, तुलाभारम में स्कैम है. अभी ये नया स्कैम भगवान का शेष वस्त्र में भी पूरा स्कैम, उधर ऑफिसर्स और थोड़ा बोर्ड के लोग मिलकर ये मामले में पूरा नियरली 50 करोड़ का इसमें भी स्कैम कर लिए वो लोग.
A shawl worth just 350 rupees was allegedly billed at 1300 rupees, with total supplies crossing rupees 50 crores. Samples were sent for scientific testing to 2 labs, including one under the Central Silk Board. Both confirmed the shawls were made of polyester, violating tender specifications. Vigilance officials also found that the mandatory silk hologram used to verify genuine silk was missing from the supplied shawls. Scammed devotees speak out. 2 victims recount their ordeal to Republic.
Quality of cloths are very sad, and apart from that, to go to VIP darshan, many people has noticed that the red cloth will be appeared on their bodies, and they are thinking that it is a pattu vastram. Now the TTD authority is telling that it is not a pattu vastram, it is made from polyester. The we are asking TDD is cheating the devotees or government is cheating the devotees. We should get the clarity from the present authorities what you are going to do.
10 दिन के पहले टीडीडी चेयरमैन ने एसीबी को इंक्वायरी दिया था, ये पट्टू नहीं है पॉलिस्टर बोल के। बाद में हम भी चेक किया था, ये देखो पूरा भी पॉलिस्टर है, ये थ्रेड्स पूरा भी आ गया, आ रहा है। पट्टू तो ऐसे नहीं आते, बाद में चेक करने के बाद आया, हमको मालूम नहीं पड़ा। वो देखने से ये भी स्कैम है। ये किस लिए स्कैम है? ये एक्चुअली प्राइस है लास्ट 450 रुपीज़ पड़ते, नहीं तो और 500 रुपये का अंदर ही रहता। टीडीडी ने खरीद दिया 1400, 1400 को खरीद दिया, खरीद के इसको 3000 को भेजा। इसमें क्या डिफरेंस, कितना डिफरेंस है? 900 रुपया डिफरेंस है। ये कितने 10 साल में, ये 10 साल में तो लास्ट टाइम में चंद्रबाबू नायडू गवर्नमेंट था, फिर ये कोर्ट में आने के बाद इसको और पूरा गलती कर दिया बोल रहा है। पूरा कैसा भी 900 रुपया बोलने से भी कितना चोर ने एक दिन को 100-200 शालवा तो लोग को देते रहते, भक्त लोग को। ये भी 50 करोड़ रुपया के ऊपर, मिनिमम 55 करोड़ तक ये स्कैम हुआ बोल के कंफर्म आ गया।
A place meant for faith and devotion now finds itself clouded by allegations of theft, discord, and scams, raising a troubling question of how sanctity is preserved when trust within its own system begins to erode.